Ashna and I'm from BRS Global School and I study in 8th grade. Today I'll be telling you about the Talk to Me project of QtPi Robotics. Let's get started. So first you have to log in into www.stemdc.in. Now let's start a new project. Click on Start New Project. Now we have to type our project name. I'm putting it as Talk to Me. Now in the designer interface we'll be putting our components now. So first let it be in the middle. Now we'll add our text box. Next we'll be adding our button and we'll rename it as Speak. In the properties section also we have to rename it. You can also design it if you want to. Now we have to go to Media under the palette. Now we have to add text to speech component. You will notice that text to speech is a non-visible component. It will not be displayed in your screen. Now let's go to the block interface for programming. So first we have to click on Speak. Now add this block. Now let's go to text to speech and add this block. Now let's go to text box and add text box text. This one. Now we have finished our programming for Talk to Me. So now let's run it. So for running it you have to click on Build and click it. After it downloads, scan this QR code. Yes, now we have completed programming. Let's see how it works.
Hi.
Wow!
Nice to meet you.
So now we have finished our Talk to Me project. Thank you.
Do you want to have a quick peek into our QtLearn classrooms? Here's your chance. Register now only for ₹99 and see how coding can be so much fun.